Leadership philosophies, impacts on organizational dynamics and effectiveness. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The chapter aimed to examine the correlation between leadership philosophies and organizational effectiveness, emphasizing the impact of leadership styles on employee motivation, satisfaction, and engagement, as well as the influence of organizational culture on these interactions. Essential themes. The essay analyzes leadership styles, including transformational and transactional leadership, employee motivation, employee satisfaction, employee engagement, and corporate culture. It emphasizes the significance of leadership in enhancing organizational success. Methodology. The essay utilizes a systematic literature review methodology, referencing established research and theories pertinent to leadership, motivation, and organizational behavior. Principal arguments. The text indicates that good leadership is crucial for promoting favorable employee outcomes and attaining organizational objectives. It underscores the significance of employee engagement and its correlation with leadership style. The studied research demonstrates a positive association between transformative leadership and employee commitment, engagement, and performance. Nevertheless, the article remains in its preliminary phase and has yet to provide exhaustive results. Importance and consequences. This research seeks to enhance the comprehension of the pivotal role of leadership in determining organizational performance. The insights acquired may inform leadership development initiatives and tactics aimed at enhancing employee engagement and organizational performance. Conclusion. The article finished by summarizing the literature review findings, addressing implications for leadership practice, and proposing avenues for future research. It also discussed the necessity for firms to evaluate the influence of leadership style on employee outcomes and organizational performance. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.